running a little bit late because I forgot the name tags. So I went all the way to school, walked out from my car, and then realized I forgot the name tags. So I went back to the house, grabbed the name tag, and now I'm late. Not off to a good start, but whatever. Almost 8 o'clock, so we're about to start soon. I'm so excited to meet all of the pre-dental and to talk to them today. It's going to be a super fun day.
He will go over just a quick presentation about what WesternU is. Our main first beacon is we want to get
Are you having fun?
No.
What are you talking
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
I'm making my pre-dance out.
I don't see your help.
Oh. I'm gonna make circles, but you can also
After last question. Good. Lunch is coming up with the nail thing. As much as
Okay, let's take your temperature. But try to add more. Just remember, you can always add more carbon.
yes, Professor. Progress. We come. John, hi. How was judging the wax out?
It was so much fun. It was bad.
Kylie,
No,
I
they
can't
did
post
amazing.
that.
It was fun talking to them.
No, they all did good. I feel like they did better than we did, right? For the
a
amount
lot
that they
better,
had. Yeah.
dude. I couldn't even make a ladder the first
Really
time.
solid. Yeah, but coming back.